Lubat ako.
And finally, the star for movie actor of the year goes to
Baron Dexter! Dollhouse! Maestro Productions and Netflix Originals. Presenting the award is PNPC President and overall Chairman of the 39th Star Awards for Movies, Rodel Fernando, Miss Baby Go, and Mayor Marcos Mamay of Ganungan, Lanao del Norte.
Thank you very much. Hindi na ako speechless kasi mukha ko ako ng speech. Kasi long overdue na eh. 2022 namin, actually 2021 namin ginawa yung Dollhouse. And sa kalagitnaan ng pandemya, punta kami ng Netherlands at bumuo ng pelikula kasama ng Mavex Productions. Direk Marla, first time ko siya natrabaho doon at na-inlove na ako sa pag-direct niya, pag-guide sa akin bilang artista. Althea Ruedas, such an amazing, great talent. My baby girl, I love you forever. You'll be my baby girl for the rest of my life. Well, ito yun. Thank you. Maraming salamat kay God, no? For His unending grace and for blessing me with the talent and opportunities to pursue my passion. To the Philippine Movie Press Club, thank you for recognizing my work. This is an honor I will treasure forever. To my family, especially my wife, Jamie, my rock and my guiding light. You are my greatest inspiration. Thank you for standing by me through every high and low. To my friends and colleagues who have supported me unconditionally, your belief in me has been my fuel. Sa director ko, mention na kita, Direk Marla, sa mga co-actors ko, sa Fee, everyone, Althea. Naging pamilya ko kayo sa proyektong to. Hindi ko magagawa ito na mag-isa. Ang award na to ay para sa atin lahat. Lalo na sa inyo, Direk. Sa lahat sa amin, Direk, Ma'am Onay, people behind the scenes, lahat ng teamwork natin, I owe it all to you guys. So maraming salamat sa inyong husay at dedikasyon. Sa mga taga-suporta, kayo ang dahilan kung bakit tuloy-tuloy pa rin ako. Salamat sa walang sawang suporta. Sa pagmamahal at sa pag-intindi sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ko. Thank you, Lord, nandito pa rin ako. At sobrang mahal na mahal ko talaga itong industriya natin, itong pag-arte. At lalo na ngayon na nag-i-improve na rin. No? I'm maturing to be, like God is preparing me, has been preparing me to be the best version of myself. And I'm so grateful na lately yung mga katrabaho ko, makikita ko yung paghihila nila sa akin pangat sa bawat proyektong ginagawa ko ngayon sa Star Creatives, sa kapamilya. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Nawala tuloy. Hindi wala, tumigil yung sumigaw. Maraming salamat. So, this award is more than a trophy. It's a reminder that redemption, perseverance, and authenticity can create art that resonates. I dedicate this to everyone chasing their dreams and to anyone who believes in second chances. I'm so grateful sa press. You've been so kind to me. Bata pa lang ako.
Yeah! Woo!
Yeah. Andun na kayo. Nagsimula pa lang ako kayo. Probably 12, 13, mamaliw, sumalangit. Panuluwa mo, I love you so much. I miss you. Sir Ben, everyone na nakasubaybay sa aking buhay. Pumapasyal pa nga ngayon sa bahay ko naman. Di ba natatandaan yun? 1997, luma ko ng tao. So, let's continue telling stories that inspire, heal, and bring us closer to one another. Muli, maraming salamat sa PMPC and good night, everyone. Gusto ko lang dagdag na sa mga blessings na dumarating, mas minamahal ko yung craft ko. I take it seriously and mas naiintindihan ko na ngayon para saan, kung bakit ako plinase ni God dito. Isipin nyo, noon, bulakbol, mga bababae, at kung ano-ano mga bisyo. Pero ngayon, lahat ng iniipon ko at nakuha ko sa trabaho ko ay, ayun, nabubuhay ko na yung mga anak ko. Kaya sobrang laking pasasalamat ko talaga sa inyo sila.
Congratulations, Dad. That was truly heartfelt and thank you. My name is Johnny. At ito na yung pinakatihintay natin lahat. The star for Movie Actress of the Year. And it goes to...
Nadine Lustre! Viva Films, presenting the award as PMPC President and overall Chairman of the 39th Star Awards for Movies, Rodel Fernando, Ms. Babygo, and Mayor Marcos Mamay of Lanugan, Lanao del Norte.
Pasensya na po, the struggle is real. Thank you. Unang-una sa lahat, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. It's so nice to see everyone come together para po suportahan ang pelikulang Pilipino. PMPC, maraming salamat po for this award, and it's so good to be back on the stage. Gusto ko pong pasalamatan si Direk Nick. Direk, thank you so much for allowing me to collaborate with you and to bringing my character in the leader, si Lyra, into life. Viva Films and to my Viva family, thank you po for all of the opportunities that you've given me. To all of my supporters, maraming salamat po for all the love that you've given me. To my team and my family, thank you for always having my back. And to my boyfriend Chris, who's in the audience, thank you for always pushing me when I'm down in the dumps. So everyone, maraming salamat po. And ito pong award na to, I dedicate this sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Deleter sa Evolve Studio and Viva Studio, Viva Films. At sa lahat po ng sumuporta, tumangkilik ng Deleter, maraming salamat po. Again, PMPC, thank you so much. And mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino.
Congratulations!
Congratulations, Nadine.
Muli po congratulations sa lahat po ng mga nanalo ngayong gabi. Sa mga Lifetime Achievement Awardees sa sina Kuya Nick at Mr. Robitan, congratulations po sa lahat din ng mga nagsipagwagi ng special awards. You are all truly deserving. This has been Gladys Reyes Someru. Sa lahat ng